Hi, I'm Eva. I'm happy to provide you with a job overview of a tool rental service technician at the Home Depot, Canada. This role is key to providing excellent customer service to people who rent equipment from us. Expert knowledge of the tools our store makes available for rental is vital to keeping customers as informed as possible. You also need to ensure all tools are kept in excellent condition, accurately documenting their movement between store and customer, and train tool rental associates in how to properly care for equipment. Correctly guiding customers towards the tools they need to complete their projects is key to their appreciation of what we offer as a company. This is what keeps them coming back, and you can be the person to ensure this happens. We frequently look to promote from within and will give you all the training you need to develop in your role. You may start as a tool rental service technician, but there's no limit on where you can get to. As a key member of our company's success, we want to reward you for your hard work. That's why we offer great benefits such as profit-sharing bonuses, staff discount payment plans, paid vacation time, retirement savings, and health and dental coverage. Start your journey as a tool rental service technician with the Home Depot, Canada, and apply to a store location close to your home. We look forward to reviewing your application and hopefully welcoming you to our team.